Have you ever wondered what happens when a star exhausts its nuclear fuel and collapses under its own gravity? What if I told you that this cataclysmic event gives birth to a cosmic monster known as a black hole? A black hole, a term coined by physicist John Wheeler in 1967, is a region of space-time from which nothing, not even light, can escape. It's like a cosmic vacuum cleaner with an insatiable appetite. But how does something so fascinating come into existence? Let's delve into the cosmic depths and unravel the mystery of black hole creation. Firstly, we must understand that the birth of a black hole is tied to the life cycle of a star. Stars are colossal fusion reactors, where elements like hydrogen and helium combine to produce heavier elements, releasing prodigious amounts of energy in the process. This energy exerts an outward pressure, counteracting the inward pull of gravity and maintaining the star's stability. But what happens when a star runs out of fuel for fusion? Well, that's where things get interesting. Without the energy to counteract gravity, the star begins to collapse under its own weight. If the star is massive enough, say more than 20 times the mass of our Sun, this collapse leads to an explosion known as a supernova. The supernova is a sight to behold, a brilliant flash of light that can outshine entire galaxies. However, the real magic happens in the aftermath. The core of the star, now devoid of fuel, continues to collapse. The gravity becomes so immense that it warps space-time around it, creating a point of infinite density known as a singularity. This singularity is shrouded by an event horizon, a point of no return beyond which nothing can escape, not even light, and thus, a black hole is born. But remember, black holes aren't just cosmic vacuum cleaners. They are complex entities that challenge our understanding of physics. They are a testament to the immense power and mystery of the universe. To summarize, the creation of a black hole is a cosmic dance between gravity and energy. When a massive star exhausts its nuclear fuel, it collapses under its own weight, leading to a supernova. The core continues to collapse, warping space-time and creating a singularity surrounded by an event horizon. A black hole, a cosmic entity of unimaginable power and mystery, is thus born from the remnants of a dying star.